Hello guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to talk about the new methods. In last video we show how we can use object.create. Now in this tutorial we're going to talk about define property and then followed by define properties. So let's talk about define property. So what is this? So let's take an example of obj, which is an empty object. Now, if you want to define some properties, so when we define some new property, what happen is like we want to. So if you see the suggestion here, the first parameter is row, second is p, third is attributes. So if you have watched my first or second video, you might have been aware like an object properties has four powers: writable, configurable, enumerable, and its values. Okay. So let's say the property name is name. Okay, and out of the four powers we'll have to define it here. If we don't define it, then the value will be false, undefined, and the rest of thing will be false automatically. It won't be true. So let's say if for the value, if I define here Vivek and leave rest of the things, then what will happen? Okay, so what will happen is let me check its descriptor. Obviously now what we will see here, everything is false by default. So it won't be deletable. It's from, we cannot delete name, we cannot access it if you loop it through in by any ways, and writable is false as well. So in that way, I think nothing will work here. So while defining a property, we'll have to also define things like writable. If we want to true, then we can add it. So it's saying like it is already defined, that's why it is happening. But let me use another property name here. And now if we see the property descriptors, in country we'll see the writable is true. So similarly we can make it configurable, which is by then we can delete it. And if we make it enumerable, we can iterate and access this country field. Okay, so in this video we talked about define property. In next we'll see how we can use define properties. So thank you for watching.